Hey, what's up guys? My name's Jesse, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly disconnect the ZIF connectors for the A5100 motherboard. There's three reasons you should be watching this video. One is if you're replacing your motherboard because it's damaged. Secondly, if you're disassembling it, make sure you watch this video before you attempt to disconnect the ribbon cable for the LCD. Thirdly, you should be watching this video if you're attempting the Curious Riz audio jack hack. So that's when you're able to use an external mic. So currently I'm recording this video on my A5100 and I'm using the Rode Video Mic Pro. So that audio that you're getting is from the Video Mic Pro. And as you know, the 5100 doesn't necessarily come with an input jack. So that's what that hack allows you to do. If you do enjoy this video or you find it useful, please like and subscribe to this video. Thank you. So don't make the same mistake I made when removing the LCD screen from the motherboard, and I'm going to show you how the ZIF connector works. There wasn't a lot of content or videos of or details of showing how it lifts, so I know another YouTuber made the same mistake. I'm trying to save you $100. I had to order the part from AliExpress. Luckily it was a pretty decent price. Most of the time the motherboards run about $160 on AliExpress, and for the A5100 there are very few sellers. I tried to find a donor camera, but again, I don't know if they're water damaged and there weren't many on eBay. So this was my original motherboard. So this ZIF connector right here, and as you can see, the prongs and everything's busted. So I made the same mistake as another YouTuber where he just pulled it. What happens is if you pull it, it's gonna just damage the, let me move this microphone out of the way. If you just pull it, it's going to damage these pins. How this works, I'm going to use these tweezers to demonstrate how it flips. But on top of here, there's a clamp. See, this one goes down. Sorry, let me center that. So it goes down. And when it presses down, that's how it locks. So in order to remove the ZIF connector, you need to lift it from this side. And once you lift it, there you go. So once you lift it, you're able to remove that cable. Also, I'll show you the other ZIF connectors on this motherboard. So this is the one that I already damaged, so it's pretty much useless. This particular connector lifts up like that. This one lifts from the back. So there's a gray ZIF connector and it presses down. So if you were to press it down, there it goes, it locks. To unlock it, you would just lift it up. And then all of these, they just push in. And so now that I got a new motherboard, I'm going to have to remove this, solder this piece onto the new motherboard. I'm just gonna remove this foil, put it onto the new one. And then I'm doing the hack or the mod so that I can have an external microphone. So that's what all these wires are for. This is my old one, it's useless. I went to a local electrician. He tried to look for a ZIF connector as a replacement. He wasn't able to find anything that small. So I'm assuming Sony has some sort of proprietary ZIF connector because of its size. He said he only could find things that were a lot bigger. So again, don't make the same mistake. I broke the black plastic piece off. Like I mean, at this point when I already had damaged it, I just wanted to see how it opened. But I was able to figure it out. So hopefully this helps somebody. So again, it just lifts up and down. So you don't make the same mistakes that we did.